Hello guys, today I will be showing you the other data types in Python, that is list and tuple. So in this video I will be showing you how list is being defined and how tuples are being defined, and where lists are being used and tuple can be used, and what are the differences between list and tuple, and also a couple of other functionalities or methods we have in the list and tuple. So guys, stay tuned. So now, list and tuple. So when we are using list, what is list? So list is a collection which is ordered and changeable. So it is a collection of some data set, and it can be changed at any moment of time based on your requirement. Okay, so this in Python we are representing that with a square bracket. Okay, now what is tuple? In tuple we will be representing this with a round bracket. So it is also a set of data, collection of data, but these data are unchangeable. We cannot change the values in tuple. So from here itself we can figure out, right? Both are set of data, both are having some sets of data, but one can be changed, the other cannot be changed. So one is dynamic, the tuple is static. So with this you can figure out, like, wherever you have some data and the data is not going to change, you can use tuple for execution, and wherever you have some sets of data and the data can be changed based on dynamic uses, so that time you can use the list. Now what is the differences between list and tuple? So lists can be modified. Yes, that's what I told you. We can insert any element, append, extend, or remove any elements. But in tuple it's a static one, we cannot change anything. So since we can insert, append, extend, or remove, so with this we can say like list length can be varied, and with this we can say list is more functionality. So we have insert, append, right? We can do many more functionalities than tuple. And also we see like the list size is more than tuple. This is one thing where tuple overtakes list size. Why? When the list size is more and the tuple size is small, so with this we can say the tuple executes faster than the list. So this you need to remember. Now let me show you a couple of simple examples of lists. Now let me show you how we can define lists and tuple, or how we can run the programs. Okay, so we can say like a equal to Python 1 to Java. Okay, print a. Let us see. Yeah, we can see this, right? We have the data set and list. Now we can figure out, like, we can also we can also execute which element we need. We can also define a range of finding the elements, of getting the elements as output. So we need to have an proper index for that, what you want. So make sure, like, okay, I have one here. So always make sure when we have a list, the first element always denotes 0 as the index. So 0, it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. So now if I put 1, so this means I will be getting this 0, 1 I will be getting. Yep, you see that? Now we can define a range. So 1 to 2. Let me have some more data. 5. I have the data here from 1 to 5. So how this works is, it will always include 1, that is 0, 1, but will exclude the fifth one. So it should print 1 2 3. So 0 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 1 2 Java and 3 it should print. Okay, so let us see whether it is printing Java or not. So you should remember, when we define a range, it will include the first one, but it will exclude the fifth, last, and so you can say 1 2 3, 1 2 Java and 3 it's printing. So next, what we'll see, like we'll see this negative indexing. Negative indexing, it will always denote from the last. Say I have here -1, so it should print 6. See, you can see that it's printing 6. Same way we can have negative indexing of -1 to -4. So it should print from 6, then 5, 6, then we'll have 1 2 3. Okay, let us see what it is printing. Sorry, we should have -4 and we should have -1. Let us see how negative index prints. You can see here 3 4 5 and 6, 3 4 5. So in this case it prints the -4, the first one, and then it excludes the last one, -1. So 6 is being excluded. Okay, hope you have understood this one up to here. Now we can also have, like, we can have a single, like 2. If you put this, we don't have the AND loop, so it will print till the last 2 Java 3 4 5 6. Else we can have from first to till fourth, so it should print 0 1 2 3. Up to Java it should print, because it will exclude the fourth one. Python 1 to Java, that's all. Okay, now what we can do is, like, we can go for loop statements, right? We can loop through the lists. Now for x in A, print x. Now for each, it will loop each elements in this list. For each element, for x in A, it should print x. Okay, let us see. Okay, so it will print each elements from Python to 6 for each element. Or else what can we use, like we can also have next statement, like we'll check statements. If 1 in A, print 1 is available in A. So you can see here 1 is available in A. Okay, now next what we can do is, like, we can also figure out, like, the length of this particular list. So it's very simple. Just you can go for A equal to x equal to length of A, print x. Eight. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can see the 7. So length is 7. Now we'll see, like, how we can insert, append, extend, or remove elements from a list. Okay, now first let us see for insert, how we can insert an element. So for insert, we need to have an index and the element what we are going to insert. Okay, now we'll see, like, a.list, a.insert, where we are going to insert, say 2 comma C. Print a.c, 2.c. So if you select 0 1 2, this 2, after this it will be changed with C. G. Now we'll go with append. How append works, like for append we don't need to go for that, just we don't need an index. See here, it is appending at the last. So same way we can go for extend. It is also going to be extending the list. So now we can remove the item also from the path. Say like we are going to remove say 6 or 5. See, the 5 has been removed from here. Okay, next what we can do is like we can see we can concatenate two lists also with this. So let us see how we can concatenate two lists. Okay, is equal to Python Java C B equal to 1 2 3. Okay, we are concatenating two lists. Print C. Okay, we'll see now. Python Java, oh sorry, what it came, Python Java C 1 2 3. So we are concatenating two lists here, right? We are adding two lists. Next we'll go for tuple. So tuple also almost the same, only what we have discussed earlier as a list. So say like A equal to, one thing is like we will be defining with round brackets 2 3 4 print A. Only thing is like here we can't insert, append or extend, so we don't have those methods here, those features in tuple. You can see we're printing here 1 2 3 4. The same way we can also index here, index 1 2 2. So it should print 0 1 2 3. It should print 2 3. Let's see that. Oh sorry. 1 2 3. Yeah, it should print 2 should be extra, so 0 1. So it should print 2. Next we can go for till last, 1 to last. Rest all features are similar to a list only, so you can explore yourself. It's very much interesting if you explore yourself, and you will be gaining more knowledge in it. Now next what we can do is like say if we want to change values of tuple, right? So for that what you need to do is like you need to go through, you need to change the tuple to list first, and once it is changed to list, then only you can change some add or extend or remove the elements, and then again you need to convert back to tuple. So can you see that A is equal to 1 2 3 4 is a tuple, and what we can do is like B is equal to list of A. Now it converted to list. Okay, list print B. See, now here's converted to list. Now if I want to modify something, say P of 2. Okay. Let us see now. To add Java, and then it is add Java, and then it is changed to tuple. So what we are doing here is like first we are changing it to list using a list method, and then what we are doing is like we are just inserting the to index 2 with Java. So 0 1 2. So after 2 we are getting Java, and then it is printing 4. So it is changing the value with 3 to 4. Okay. So rest all, if you see like if an item exists in tuple, it will print. So it's almost similar to tuple only. So it's almost similar to list only. So I'm not going through each and everything. You can explore yourself, so you will be getting more idea. My next video will be on dictionary, that is even more interesting. So if you like my video, please press like button, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.